Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this. ZDBB 32 size and 1540 pieces of O-ring assortment kit. It's a metric neutral rubber origin set with 4 picks for automatic faucet, pressure washers, plumbing, air or gas repairs. OD is 4mm up to 50mm. That's a big that. It's a big kit of O-rings and washers. This rubber O-ring kit for the faucets, for plumbing, for pressure washer, for hose, nozzles, for sinks, for filters, hydraulic fluid, auto engines, machineries, bearings, pumps, bolts. It's all resistant gas control valve. For spray resistant air, kitchen, bathroom, water, fitting, seal, and leak repair, and so on. Is a big bunch of possibilities to seal machines, for example. The assorted O-ring washer gasket assortment set contains 32 metric sizes: 4mm, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14mm, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24mm, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 35, 38, 40mm, 45 and 50. Woo, that's a lot. And we have THKs 1, 1.5, 2mm, 2.4, and 3.1 to 3.5mm. This can meet almost nearly all what we need to repair, to seal, to use or replace O-rings. Like in this device here in that video, for example, we can replace them easy peasy with the included tools. The O-rings rubber kit comes with 4-piece precision pick and hook sets. Include 1 piece of full hook, 1 piece of 45 degrees pick, 1 piece of 90 degrees pick, and 1 piece of a thread pick. Each is designed with a high torque acetate handles and precision tips for use on clips, wire, O-rings, gasket, and other precision fasteners and components. And we have here high quality material. That's right. The black O-ring set is made of high quality commercial grade natural rubber. This is NBR material. It has an excellent high temperature and low temperature resistance. The working temperature range is from minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit up to plus 248 degrees Fahrenheit. These are minus 40 degrees Celsius up to 120 in the plus range of degrees Celsius. Maintains a good elasticity. It has the advantage of ozone resistant and weather resistant, so it is suitable for thermal and mechanical sealing gaskets. That means widely used in machinery, electronics, in hot water, and other industries. And a TWCC assorted of the ring kind kit comes with 32 sizes. These are placed in a sturdy plastic storage box in order, and each size is attached with detailed label paper, which is of course very convenient to use. The O-rings are stored in order of small to large for easy retrieval. It can be used for months or even for years, rather than buying them at a hardware store, of course. And you have them in your garage, for example, and if you need them, there are in the storage of yourself. And of course, then you can replace a broken O-ring immediately. That's really cool. That's easy. That is the ZDBB 22 size of O-ring sets. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Zun zun.